Meaning of functionalism.
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 Functionalism. Functionalism is a theoretical perspective in sociology that views society as a complex system with various interdependent parts working together to maintain stability. According to functionalism, each part of society, such as institutions and social norms, serves a specific function and contributes to the overall well-being of society. This perspective emphasizes the importance of social order and stability over individual agency and conflict. It has been criticized for ignoring issues of power, inequality, and social change, but remains influential in understanding how societies maintain cohesion and equilibrium.